Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to log into your PayPal account on your desktop. So first of all, you will need to open any web browser on your desktop and then you guys will need to search for PayPal. Now you guys will need to select the first website that occur, and here on the top right corner you guys can see two options right here. The first one is login and you need to select on this option. Now here, as you guys can see, that I have already logged out of my account. That's why my email ID is already shown by default. So you just need to enter your email ID and then enter your password, and now select on login button. So as you can see guys, that I have successfully logged in onto my PayPal account. So that's how you guys can log into your account. And that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.